Discover the perfect blend of speed, style, and convenience with our top 5 best electric kettles. Whether you're brewing tea, making coffee, or boiling water in a hurry, these kettles deliver fast heating, smart safety features, and elegant designs to elevate your daily routine. Find your ideal pick for effortless, modern kitchen living. Number 1. Vianté Luxury Electric Kettle with Infuser. If you're a true tea lover, the Vianté Luxury Electric Kettle with Infuser is about to change your tea brewing experience forever. This is not just a kettle, it's a complete, all-in-one luxury tea set designed to brew, pour, and serve with absolute elegance. The fully automatic tea maker gives you precision brewing with programmable temperature presets for oolong, green tea, white tea, and even coffee. No more guessing, just perfect flavor, every single time. And with its keep warm function, your tea stays at the ideal temperature for up to 30 minutes. The high-end ceramic teapot and 4 matching ceramic cups feel premium in the hand, with a smooth glossy finish that's both beautiful and easy to clean. Whether you're sipping solo or sharing with guests, the experience feels elevated. Add the bamboo serving tray, and suddenly serving tea becomes a moment of style and relaxation. Plus, it all comes packed inside a stunning gift box, truly the ultimate luxury gift for anyone who loves tea. Pros: precision temperature presets for perfect brewing. Premium ceramic teapot plus cups for a luxury feel. Beautiful bamboo serving tray and gift-ready packaging. Con: requires more counter space due to the full set. Number 2. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle. When style meets precision, you get the Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle, a minimalist masterpiece crafted for coffee and tea enthusiasts who want full control over every brew. Built from durable 304 stainless steel with a compact, modern base, this kettle looks incredible on any counter while delivering professional-level performance. Its precision pour design features a pointed gooseneck spout that gives you a steady, accurate flow, perfect for pour-over coffee lovers who demand consistency. The counterbalanced handle ensures a stable, controlled grip, letting you pour slowly and confidently. Powered by a 1200-watt heating element, it heats water fast, and the to-the-degree temperature control lets you fine-tune your brew like a barista. The sleek LCD screen displays both your set temperature and real-time temperature, and the built-in brew stopwatch helps you nail your extraction every time. Need to multitask? Just toggle the hold mode to keep your water hot for up to 60 minutes. Designed in California, this kettle blends beauty with flawless functionality, built with premium stainless steel, food-grade silicone, and optional wooden accents. Pros: to-the-degree temperature control with fast heating. Precision gooseneck spout for perfect pouring. Sleek LCD screen with brew stopwatch plus 60-minute hold mode. Con: not dishwasher safe and requires regular descaling. Number 3. KitchenAid 1.25-liter Electric Kettle. If you love simplicity, style, and everyday convenience, the KitchenAid 1.25-liter Electric Kettle delivers all of that in one compact, elegant design. This kettle is built for those who want a hassle-free hot water solution with a touch of KitchenAid's signature charm. Filling the kettle is effortless thanks to its removable lid, letting you add exactly the right amount of water without spills or mess. The straightforward LED-on, off switch and bright indicator light take the guesswork out of your routine. Just flip it on, and you're good to go. Once heated, the kettle easily lifts from its base so you can bring hot water wherever you need it, your kitchen, office, or cozy reading corner. Its stainless steel body, smooth aluminum handle, and timeless compact design make it stylish enough to proudly display on your countertop every day. Pouring is smooth and consistent with the built-in spout, which includes a removable limescale filter to keep your water clean and your beverages tasting their best. Pros: easy fill removable lid for clean, simple refills. Compact, stylish design with durable stainless steel build. Smooth pour with removable limescale filter. Con: limited features compared to advanced temperature control kettles. Number 4. Zojirushi Micom Water Boiler and Warmer. If you want hot water ready whenever you need it, the Zojirushi Micom water boiler and warmer is a true game changer for tea lovers, coffee drinkers, and busy households. This clever appliance uses a micro-computerized temperature control system to keep your water consistently heated to the perfect level. No waiting, no reheating, just instant convenience. One standout feature is the cafe drip dispensing mode, which releases water more slowly and smoothly, giving you better control for pour-over coffee or delicate teas. Whether you're preparing matcha, drip coffee, or instant meals, it delivers precision with ease. The built-in energy-saving timer lets you set the boiler to heat water in 6–10 hours, making it incredibly efficient for overnight or workday use. You also get a clear sound indicator that alerts you when boiling is complete or when water is running low. No more guessing or unexpected refills. Inside, the stainless steel chamber is coated with a durable non-stick surface, making cleanup quick and simple. Pros: micro-computerized temperature control for consistent heating. Cafe drip mode for slow, precise dispensing. Energy-saving timer plus clear sound alerts. Con: bulkier design compared to standard kettles. Number 5. Intasting Gooseneck Electric Kettle. If precision is the heart of your brewing ritual, the Intasting Gooseneck Electric Kettle is built to elevate every cup with control, consistency, and premium craftsmanship. Designed for pour-over perfectionists and casual brewers alike, this kettle delivers cafe-quality results right at home. Its standout feature is the plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit precise temperature control, ensuring your water stays exactly where you want it for optimal extraction and flavor. Pair that with the 9mm fine gooseneck spout, and you get a beautifully smooth, steady pour every time, ideal for blooming coffee grounds or brewing delicate teas. With the 2-hour temperature hold, you never have to reheat or wait again. Your perfect temp stays ready whenever inspiration strikes. Switching between degree F and degree C is effortless with a single toggle, making it great for international recipes and brewing guides. Inside, the kettle is built with 100% stainless steel, including a plastic-free temperature probe for safe, clean-tasting water. Add the built-in brew stopwatch, and mastering consistency becomes easier than ever. Pros: ultra-precise plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit temperature control. Fine gooseneck spout for smooth, accurate pouring. 2-hour temperature hold plus built-in brew stopwatch. Con: slight learning curve for beginners adjusting to advanced controls.